Okay, okay, I can work with that. Here, let's take this one over here again, and let's go over here to the app library. We'll choose some sandals. And realistically, we just want, I'm just going to pick these ones. I think the best thing you need here is a solid body, so a solid shape all the way around, and then these the pieces there to be like cut into it basically. You can kind of see them through, and then when you take them and overlap them, like how you have them in your drawing like that, then they end up like that, right? And you can set these to cut outside the shape, and they kind of do this overlapping thing, right? So if we take this one, I'm going to make a copy of it. Oh, actually, I'm going to lock it. And if I make it 0 depth, and I combine it with the one next to it, now I can make it back to outside the path and make it a depth. The same matching depth. Oh, this one is on path, so let's set this to outside as well. Ooh, maybe they both need to be on path. And now those cuts there line up with each other perfectly. So I think that that matches up with yours kind of. I didn't overlap the bottom properly, but I should have how to overlap the top. By setting it as a 0 depth, it becomes like an eraser tool almost, right? So now that little bit of this one has erased into this one. Does that make sense? So yeah, that's how I would get it to work there. And then we've got this. That's probably what you want is this part in the middle anyway, right? And depending on how you want them to go together, if you want to just have the line one single line like that, or if you want these to actually be two different parts that you put together afterwards, then you'd really want both of these to be set to outside the path. Because once you cut these, it cuts along that blue line there, right? It's going to leave what's left along the blue line. And the two parts will nest into each other perfectly. If you want them to be cut from two separate pieces and then to go together afterwards. If you want them to be cut from a single piece, like engraved in here, then I would use on path. And that would engrave this line right through the middle there where they do perfectly overlap. All right. So hopefully that is what you're looking for, I think. So you can go back and rewind this if you want to and watch from the beginning. But basically what I did is I changed. The trick about locking it is it allowed me to... normally if I didn't lock it, right, and I set something to a 0 depth and I use the combine function, the 0 depth item is gone forever. It's gone now. It's disappeared. So the trick there is to lock it, and then it uses it to cut into it, but it doesn't get rid of it because it's locked in place. So that's just like a neat little trick about using that locking function. Anyway, hope that helps. Take care. Let me know. Good luck.